Step into a realm of extraordinary culinary enchantment with our video, Flavors of the East, a culinary journey through Thai green curry. This is not just a culinary exploration, it's an immersive experience that whisks you away to the enchanting lands of Thailand. Join us as we venture into the bustling markets, meander through aromatic spice stalls, and savor every tantalizing note and nuance of one of Thailand's most iconic and beloved dishes, Thai green curry. Our gastronomic adventure commences amidst the vibrant and bustling streets of Bangkok, where the air is thick with the fragrant aroma of lemongrass, the velvety allure of creamy coconut milk, and the electrifying kick of green chilies. It's an olfactory symphony that beckons you to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Thai cuisine, inviting you to delve deeply into the artistry and craftsmanship that goes into crafting this exquisite and flavorful culinary masterpiece. As we embark on this culinary journey, we invite you to bear witness to the masterful hands of local chefs. Watch in awe as they artfully prepare Thai green curry, a dish that has been perfected over generations. It's a delicate dance of flavors, where tender morsels of succulent meat or vibrant vegetables are lovingly simmered in a fragrant green curry paste, delicately infused with the aromatic magic of kaffir lime leaves and the unmistakable essence of Thai basil. The result is nothing short of a symphony of bold, vibrant flavors and aromatic spices that impeccably capture the very essence of Thai gastronomy. Yet, Thai green curry is more than just a dish, it's a profound reflection of Thailand's rich culinary heritage and the intricate art of achieving a perfect harmony of sweet, sour, spicy, and savory flavors. Our culinary voyage takes you on a sensory journey, where every step offers a revelation. We'll journey from the bustling floating markets of Dam Non Saduak, where the freshest ingredients abound, to the serene and sacred temples of Chiang Mai, where age-old traditional recipes are lovingly preserved and passed down through generations. Discover the profound significance of green curry in Thai culture, where it transcends being merely a meal and becomes a joyful celebration of harmony, balance, and the deep appreciation for bold and intricate flavors. It's a culinary experience that awakens the senses, fosters a profound connection with the extraordinary beauty and rich culinary heritage of Thailand. Flavors of the East is far more than just a video, it's a heartfelt and immersive tribute to the culinary traditions, exotic landscapes, and the innate warmth and hospitality of Thailand. Join us on this unforgettable journey as we savor every enchanting moment of this culinary exploration through the world of Thai green curry, and experience the profound artistry, craftsmanship, and passion that have made this dish an indelible symbol of Thai culture and a global culinary treasure. Prepare to be utterly captivated, educated, and transported to the vibrant markets and lush landscapes of Thailand as we delve into the captivating stories and the mouth-watering, aromatic flavors that await you in Flavors of the East, a culinary journey through Thai green curry. It's not just a video, it's an immersive voyage into the heart of Thailand's culinary soul.